خطوة مني وتشدني وانا ما بنسي قلبي على بابك يبري.
Back to your movement medicine channel, Mile for another tutorial, another movement about belly dance. So if you're not watching the previous video, I highly recommend that you go and watch all of them because we have a different kind of movements and we can start building our belly dance choreographies and our belly dance knowledge. So if it's your first time here, happy to have you in this channel. This is your channel, Movement Medicine channel, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And let me know what do you think about the previous tutorial and this one. This one is special. Have you heard before the Choo Choo Shimmy? Well, today this is our tutorial. I'm going to explain you what is Choo Choo Shimmy so you can start doing in your movement, in your choreography, in your belly dance journey. So, but before diving in, please remember this is Movement Medicine channel and we are talking about the health and all related to the movement that gives you and strength and boost our health. So we are doing different kind of tutorials about belly dance movement and also workout and stretching. All combined together will give us a better life, a better health. So happy you're here. So before we dive in, just going to warm up our body because we are going to move our entire body. And when we warm up, we prevent any injury or any pain after each session. So I love doing hip circles because this is the entire movement for your pelvis and also for your back. So we are doing two things at the same time. Doing to the other side, full circles to your right, circles. Excellent. Now pelvis up and down. Engage your glutes when you go up and relax when you go going to back. Engage, relax, engage, relax, engage, relax, engage, relax, engage, relax. Alrighty, now our knees, very important. We be gentle with our knees because they support our entire body. So please do it. A little stretching, a little warm up. Also, our ankles, very important. Upside and inside. Other side, inside and upside. Great, just our neck, side and hold and this shoulder down. Change it. Stretch, shoulder down and hold. Excellent. All right, so we are ready to talk about Choo Choo Shimmy. Choo Choo Shimmy combines two movements. Of course, shimmy, which we reviewed previously in one of the first videos in this channel. So highly recommend that you go back and watch the entire videos about shimmy. So, you know, we have different kind of shimmies, but basically shimmy is just related to your knees. So when you relax your knees and just going back and forward, and with rhythm and with velocity, we can create this kind of move in our hips and also, of course, our entire legs. But I'm doing because I'm moving my knees back and forward. If I do it slow, this is my shimmy, slow shimmy, and we are going to increase the velocity. My shimmy is increasing. All right, so this is the first Choo Choo Shimmy. What is Choo Choo? Choo Choo is we are doing where our body up in releve. Releve is a position. Ballet. In ballet, we have this releve, right? We can have this kind of releve, middle, right? Depend of your engage. Anyway, releve is just release your heels from the floor. It can be middle, up, or lower. But if you go up entirely, you have to engage your core because if not, you're going to start doing this kind, and you have to be strong enough to keep the releve up. Alrighty, so Choo Choo Shimmy. So at the beginning, you don't have to do it the entire releve. We are going to do it just a little for practice. So going a little, release your heels from the floor, and from that, you're going to start moving your knees, right? I'm doing my knees, same with the shimmy, but in this time, I'm doing in releve and close, because if I'm doing just to open, I don't have the control. I lose the control. But if you are doing a little closer, close your legs, you have more control. Alrighty? Perfect. So this is basically the Choo Choo. And why is Choo Choo Shimmy? Because of course we're combining the releve, we combine the knees, but the third part of this entire move, called Choo Choo Shimmy, is our hips. I'm not putting any effort to stop it. I'm just release my hips. My hips going freely, side to side. I'm not contain the movement here. When we are doing shimmy, normally we contain all the energy in the central, in this central position, and this entire part of our body. But when we are doing Choo Choo Shimmy, you going to release your hips, and your hips going to move freely side to side, side to side. You see? Let me show you this side. Side to side, freely, side to side. And if you see, I'm moving side to side. This is the magic of Choo Choo Shimmy. Because when we are doing Choo Choo Shimmy, we can translate for the entire space. And we can do, for example, Choo Choo Shimmy to our right, Choo Choo Shimmy to our left, Choo Choo Shimmy turn, Choo Choo Shimmy, Choo Choo Shimmy to the other side, turning, and many more. Alrighty, let me know how you are doing this Choo Choo Shimmy. Do you think? Do you like this tutorial? Do you like this move? Did you see the difference between the shimmy, the regular shimmy, the vibration, and the Choo Choo Shimmy? I hope you identify and feel it in your body, improve your dance, so you have a variety of movements. So people can probably identify one of them, but you are doing different movements. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe right now and give your thumbs up, and watch the other previous video about shimmy, Egyptian shimmy, and vibration. This is all for today. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you like it, give your thumbs up, share with any friend, any other person that you think they're going to enjoy it or learn something new. And see you in the next video, in the next tutorial. Bye!